HubKoin Exchange Tutorials, How to Deposit Using eTransfer. To begin, you will need to log into your HubKoin account. Go to hubcoin.io and click Sign In the top right-hand corner. You will be redirected to trade.hubcoin.io and you should see the login screen. Enter your credentials and log in. When you log in, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Select Wallets on the top banner. You will see modules, one for every kind of currency you have, as well as fiat currency. In this tutorial, we will be depositing Canadian funds. Click the Deposit button on the right-hand side of the module. The deposit menu will come up on your screen. To deposit funds, you will need to send an e-transfer or wire transfer. In this example, we will be using e-transfer. You will need to go through your bank and send money to the email deposit@hubcoin.io. Please take note of the e-transfer confirmation code. You will need this. Back on HubCoin, at the deposit screen, you will need to enter your full name and the amount you have transferred. We ask that in the comment section that you write your name, as well as the e-transfer confirmation code. Entering this information helps us to process your deposit faster. Select Place Deposit Ticket. A pop-up will appear, and if everything is correct, select Confirm. It can take 7 business days for your deposit to be processed. We hope that this tutorial has been helpful in explaining how to deposit funds into your HubCoin account. We appreciate your patience, and we will work to have your deposit processed quickly.